Hi, grade 4th. Today I'm starting with chapter number 21, conjunctions. What are the conjunction words? Conjunction words are the words which join two words, two phrases or two sentences wherever it is required. Right? Conjunctions will make our sentences or the way of expressions very easy. Why? If I want to say Alisha likes chocolate, Alisha likes pizza. In this sentence, I have to repeat Alisha likes 2 times. That's twice. So, if I don't want to repeat the Alisha likes again and again, what I can do is, I can join Alisha likes chocolate and pizza with the conjunction word and. With the conjunction word and. If I join the sentence, if I can join both the sentences and, so my and word is conjunction to join two sentences. Same way, there are many other words that are that is or, but. If I want to say, I need to see the option. Today I want to wear yellow or green color dress. Whenever I have option between two things, I should use or. Even but is a conjunction. Whenever we say I have done something but this could not happen. For example, I had the lunch today, but I was not hungry. Though I have completed my lunch, but I was not that much hungry. So, whenever two opposite action we are talking about, we use the word but to join the sentences. Now, it's because whenever we want to give reason for any action. For example, today I have not gone to school because I was not well. Today I have not gone to school because I am not well. ठीक है. So I have given a reason why I have not gone to school, because I was not well. So whenever we want to give reason for our any action, we have to use word because. So this and, or, but, because these all are conjunctions. Now, conjunction join the words, phrases or sentences. They are also known as conjunctions or joining words. Saloni and Zahida are good friends. So, here the Saloni and Zahida, that are words joined with and. Do you want to go to Agra by train or by bus? Here, by train and by bus, these are phrases. I have already explained you the meaning of phrases. What are phrases? Phrases are more than a word, more than one or two, more than two words joined together to give a perfect meaning. If you are understanding the meaning clearly, it is called as phrase. So here, by train or by bus, these are phrase. Veronica won't go to the wedding, but her sister will. Here, two sentences are joined. This is the first sentence. Veronica won't go to the wedding, but her sister will. Like, she won't go, but her sister will go to the wedding. I cannot eat eggs because I am allergic to them. This is also a sentence, because I am giving reason for the action. I cannot eat eggs. This is my action, because I am allergic to them. Because I cannot eat them because it is I am allergic to eggs. So in this sentences, and, or, but and because are my conjunctions. We know but and, or, because are conjunctions. Read the sentences below to learn about some more conjunctions. Now, we have already learned about these conjunctions in previous year. Last year, in grade 3rd, we have already studied about and, or, but, and, because. Now, you are in grade 4th, so you need to learn about more conjunctions. The conjunctions are unless, since, although, although. Though and although are almost same. Or and as and before. I cannot sleep unless the windows are open. Unless means I don't like till the time. If I cannot do this until this action happens. I cannot sleep unless the windows are open. If you'll close the window, I'll go to sleep. It's 2 months since I have seen a play. Since means the time of the last action or the beginning. We have not gone to school. I'm talking about you all. You have not come to school since April. Since last April you have not come to school. Yes. So the last action was completed in April. So my sentence is joined with since. Though or although means this is also one type of similar opposites. For example, I have this but I am happy. Or though, although. Although and though, although or though the car is small, it is comfortable. Though the car is small, this car is very small, but then too it is comfortable. So these are almost opposite action reaction. I'll take one more example. Though today is raining, I am happy. वैसे I don't like बारिश. I don't like rain. I don't like rain. But though it is raining today, I am happy. I don't know why, but I am happy. So it's my choice, but I'm just telling you the difference. Though the car is small, it is comfortable. Carry your umbrella or you will get wet. You have to carry your umbrella or you will get wet. Mrs. Pinto may need some help to work as she is old. We use as when we have to tell you the one of the reason for this. For example, Mrs. Pinto may need help. उनको शायद हेल्प की जरूरत पड़ेगी as she is old. वो ओल्ड है, बीमार बूढ़े हैं, इसीलिए उनको शायद चलने में हेल्प की जरूरत पड़े. Put on your shoes before you go to play. Now, before हम एज अ प्रेपोजिशन यूज करते थे. हम जब पोजीशन की बात करते हैं, बट हियर वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट पोजीशन. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्शंस, एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्शंस इट शुड बी कंजंक्शंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पुट ऑन योर शूज बिफोर यू गो टू प्ले. आप बाहर खेलने जाने से पहले शूज अपने पहन लीजिए. So you should know the difference between before used in preposition and before used in conjunctions. So hope this is clear. Now I'll start with exercise A. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentence. I gave Akriti a cold drink because she was feeling hot. So here because is my conjunction. Sanjini Sinjini was standing outside though it was raining. She was standing outside. बारिश हो रही थी फिर भी वो बाहर खड़ी थी. So though is my conjunction. Shantanu turned on the gas and cooked dinner for the family. शांतनु ने गैस शुरू करके फैमिली के लिए डिनर बनाया. फॉर उनके लिए. Aziz Ahmed took up the teaching when he was 40 years old. When जब वो 40 के हुए उन्होंने टीचिंग को अपना प्रोफेशन बनाया. तुषार sat down as he was tired. तुषार थक गया इसलिए बैठ गया. We must leave now or we'll miss the train. अब हमें जाना चाहिए वरना हम हमारी बस मिस कर देंगे. So the conjunction is or. Aunt Rene's feet are very small, so she gets her shoes from the kids section. आंट रिनी जो है उनके पैर काफी छोटे हैं तो वो अपने जूते कहाँ से लेते हैं? किड्स सेक्शन से. Now exercise B. Join the sentences with the help of conjunctions given in the bracket. We saw Minnie in the science lab. We saw Jocelyn in the science lab. With and I have to join this sentence. So my answer is we saw Minnie and Jocelyn in the science lab. And में join करने के लिए I have already told you that what we have to do is we have to understand the sentence, right? Second, what we have to do is we have to take all the common words in both the sentences. For example, we saw. In the science lab. These words are repeated twice in two different sentences. So what we'll do is we'll just take different words which are used and we'll just join them with the end. We saw Minnie and Jocelyn in the science lab. Now, my father has given up smoking. The doctor advised him to do so. Now, my father has given up smoking as the doctor advised him to do so. So what I have did in this sentence, I have just removed my full stop and I have joined with S and first letter I have written small and the sentence is completed with a full stop. My father has given up smoking as the doctor advised him to do so. Mitali sings well. She does not practice, though. Mitali sings well, though she does not practice. In this sentence, I have just removed my full stop of the first sentence and I have added though and I have written S as small because this is a continued sentence ending with full stop. Mitali sings well though she does not practice. I cannot offer you tea. I cannot offer you coffee. Here, you have to join these words with or. So, what we have to do? We have to do same as what we did in and we have to just take common of all the words and the different words, that is tea and coffee, I have to join with word or. I can offer you tea or coffee. Now, it is very hot here in June. It rains in July. Now, but it is very hot in June. It is very hot here in June but rains in July. Sonali washed her face. She went to bed before. We have to join these sentences with before. So, Sonali washed her face before she went to bed. Sanjeev likes to watch movies. His sister likes to read books. This sentence I have to join with but. Sanjeev likes to watch movies, but his sister likes to read books. Now, exercise C, match two columns. Radhika is sad because her pet dog is ill. Radhika is sad because her pet dog is ill. Number 2, Aman does not open the door for anyone when he was alone at home. अमन जब भी घर पे अकेला होता है वो कभी भी किसी के लिए दरवाजा नहीं खोलता है. The weather was overcast and it started raining. Weather overcast था और उसके बाद वो बारिश होनी शुरू हो गई. I am unwell so I am not going to school. मैं आज बीमार हूं इसलिए मैं आज स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगी. You can take a horse to water but you can't make it drink. आप घोड़े को पानी पिलाने लेके जा सकते हैं बट आप उसको पानी पिला नहीं सकते. Should I call him or you will call him yourself? क्या मैं उसको बुलाऊं या आप उसको खुद ब खुद बुला लोगे? I can come later if you are busy today. अगर आज आप बिजी हो तो मैं बाद में आ सकती हूँ. Somebody rang the bell while we were having dinner. जब हम खाना खा रहे थे तो किसी ने बेल बजाई. So hope this is clear to you all. And that's it for the day. You have to complete exercise A, B and C in your textbooks. Revise this video again and you will also try to solve this exercise on page number 5. I'll share just the photos because इसमें सारे words जैसे मैंने ये exercise कराया ये सारे इसमें clear हो गए हैं. And कैसे use करना है, but कैसे use करना है, right? So I'll share this and you have to complete this in notebook. That's it for the day. Bye.